na ni abayo afefefe bia sinebo apie e wo internet so say wo hu say alatafo na ma best bra na say ashawe bra no adosun e wo Ghana alatafo no abedos na anka wo hwema se ye ka say best bra pa first no maame pani a wanya be 45-50 years na ne bra no wabo a wo hu so no na fe wote kwan no ejeje kwan say boss abra no be sia no obehu 13 years 14 years wo mu nyina ebo best bra na alatafo no ye hyeda de omo ba ebe ye sa adwuma no di gu obi botomenti wo susu se Ghana alatafo no wo mu so ni mfaso bia ye mpam omo enkom krom se nam se ye nam ye ti internet isu a bibia akoso ebete alatani abayiwa bia no so wo te sa asem ye lady ikan wo no so abedidi Ghana fo nyina tem wo didi Ghana fo nyina tem se ye ni hwe se wo yi electricity fi ho a eden pa na ye wo wa ye yo ma ye nti omumra
will come out, you come out, you start blabbing. Nigerian guests, Nigerian guests, Nigerian is this, Nigerian is that. Nigeria is this, Nigeria is that. What do you guys have? If not for the electricity. If not for the electricity, what do you guys have? Ow. What do you guys have? You are here, you are in your country making mad. At least we've left our country to come to your country. Why not leave your country to go to another man's country? Even if it is Nigeria, why not leave your own country and go to another man's country? Nigerian this, Nigerian that. Oh yeah, now you should come and send everybody away now. Do you think if you should send or chase all the Nigerians in this your country, do you think you guys will see food to eat? No, you people will not see anything to eat. So you guys should stop the hate. Stop the hate. I'm coming, oh, I'm coming. No matter anything you Ghanaians are planning, me, I'm coming. I will say the truth and I will speak it for the truth. And I will not hide my face. This is me. If you need my location, I will give you my location. Enough is enough. Ghanaians, Nigerian this, Nigerian this, Nigerian that. I don't understand. I don't understand. Yeah, we are doing hookup. Why not leave the hookup and go and do your full work? Hey. Go and do your fufu and leave hookup for Nigerian girls. You guys are so foolish. And you guys are very dumb. Hey! Ghanaian. People just be shouting Nigerian name up and down. You guys should go and rest. Go and rest, you Ghanaian girls. Go and rest and leave the hookup for Nigerian girls alone. Are there?
Let's say comment. Ebe by Queen Chua. Make Kayama come.